The sound of one hand. The master of Kenin Temple, Mokurai, Silent Thunder, had a little protege named Toyo who was only 12 years old. Toyo saw the older disciples visit the master's room each morning and evening to receive instruction and koans to stop mind wandering. Toyo wished to receive a koan also. "Wait a while," said Mokurai. "You are too young." But the child insisted, so the teacher finally consented. In the evening, little Toyo went to the master's room at the proper time, bowed and listened respectfully. "You can hear the sound of two hands when they clap together," said Mokurai. "Now show me the sound of one hand." Toyo bowed again and went to his room to consider this problem. From his window, he could hear the melodies of the local musicians. "Ah, I have it," he proclaimed. The next evening, when his teacher asked him to illustrate the sound of one hand, Toyo began to play the melodies we heard. No, said Mokurai. "That is not the sound of one hand. You've not got it at all." Thinking that such music might interrupt, Toyo moved his abode to a quiet place. He meditated again. What can the sound of one hand be? He happened to hear some water dripping. "I have it," imagined Toyo. When he next appeared before his teacher, he imitated dripping water. "What is that?" asked Mokurai. "That is not the sound of one hand. Try again." In vain, Toyo meditated to hear the sound of one hand. He heard the sighing of the wind. But that sound was also rejected, just as the cry of an owl. More than 10 times Toyo visited Mokurai with different sounds. All were wrong. For almost a year, he pondered what the sound of one hand might be. At last, Toyo entered true meditation and transcended all sounds. At that instant, he realized the sound of one hand.